On Mother's Day, Sean took the jackhammer that we borrowed from Todd and he hammered more. This whole area here is much thinner in the center than it is laterally. But on Mother's Day, he was doing that while I was, isn't that sunset gorgeous? While I was at the fire pit back there, burning the trees that we lost in the tornado. But look at that sunset. I'll go put that on the metal pile.
No, it needs to go in there. That's a different type of metal. This can go in there too.
Oh.
There's a bucket with all these fittings in.
Oh,
in there.
okay.
It's not a garbage bucket.
Oh, that's huge. Do you need your pry bar?
Yeah.
I'll get it. Wow. We're going to be putting in a 6-foot by 8-foot shed over here. So it's going to come out 6 foot and go down. No, it's going to be 6 foot this way and then 8. We'll have to figure out the logistics of it, won't we? But that's why Sean had to take out all of these rocks and all of the hosta, and then he's going to work on getting all this dirt out of here, and then we're going to bust up more of this concrete here so we can do a solid concrete base for the shed that's going in. Sean definitely got a lot done today. So we decided that the shed's going to go between the window and this door, and it's 8 foot this way, 6 foot this way. And it looks like at some point this was a garage door, but
this was to the pool, which was here. But Sean's gotten so far on this. He's done so good. So I'm looking forward to us getting our fence put in. Birds are happy this morning. It's a gorgeous morning.